put an electrical fuel pump in because the mechanical one isn't working that well. We put the radiator back in so we can run it for longer without overheating it. We had to replace a lot of the hosing to the radiator because it was all wrenched out and stuff. So yeah, we're just gonna try to get it to run for longer this time.
Okay.
You should mark them on there, please.
Ready?
Yep.
Yeah.
You're too much fuel. Less fuel next time.
Not even. Is it pumping? Where's the radio? Put the vice grips on it, see if it'll tune. Oh!
What? Hold on.
Turn it up. Hold on, turn it back on! Wait for the battery. Okay, fair enough. I don't hear the pump doing anything. It's something's disconnected.
It's all connected.
Ouch. Touch it. Pump's not doing anything.
We got it to work now. FYI. I don't know why.
Accelerator pump.
Is it supposed to be backfiring out of this?
Where is it backfiring?
It's literally going out of this.
I don't see how.
I see it every time. You start doing.
Shooting fuel. I guess at the temperature when it kicks on. Count. Around back. Take the whole thing.
Like a beauty. Now a little bit, but it's fine. Oh, it stinks. Okay, it literally has to be just right.
It's the fuel probably going back down into the tank. So it doesn't like.
It has to be literally like.
It doesn't like. Yeah, it doesn't like too much air for some reason.
Like
Well, we may just not have it dialed in yet.
Oh gosh,
At all.
it stinks.
Okay,
Is
try
it hot?
again. The exhaust is gonna be hot. Don't touch it.
Hold it up. I literally just got sprayed with gas. Just hold up. It was like.
The rest of everything, that's what the butterflies are called solid. Move back. Huh?
A ton of exhaust.
Yeah. It's overflow. Not yet.
Oh, it's still alive. Well.
Now that we've got it to idle, we're gonna test the transmission and see if it'll roll. Ready?
Yep.
We didn't hook my ignition post back up.
What do you mean? Oh, dude.
Put that back on here.
Okay, now try.
Ready?
Yep. Oh, that was hot.
Brakes kind of work.
Oh, that was real hot.
Okay, so it wants to pull in first, so it's
Yeah.
making a weird, like, hissing sound.
Today was a major milestone. We got the engine idle for a really long time, and we got the transmission to go forward and backwards. So now we're going to take a break and nibble on an RC Cola and a moon pie.
Comment below, let us know what you want to see next. But until then, click here to subscribe and click here to watch this video. I think you'll like it.